In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block emails in Outlook. If you've ever been overwhelmed by unwanted emails cluttering your inbox, you'll know how important it is to streamline your email management. Blocking emails from specific senders can be a powerful way to do just that, and Outlook makes it relatively easy to set up, ensuring you spend less time sorting through junk and more time focusing on what's important. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening the email from the sender you wish to block. This is crucial because Outlook needs to identify exactly which sender's emails you'll want to prevent from reaching your inbox. So, go right ahead and open your Outlook, locate the email from the sender you're targeting, and click it to open. Once you have the email open, the next step is to right-click anywhere within the email. When you right-click, a context menu will appear. This menu offers you multiple options tailored towards how you can manage the email and sender. Now, here's the part where Outlook's convenience really starts to shine. Within that menu that just popped up, you will see several useful options. The option you're specifically looking for here is Block. So, go ahead and scroll through the list of options until you find that particular choice. Blocking a sender is an incredibly handy tool as it effectively stops future emails from them from appearing in your inbox. This can drastically reduce distractions and unwanted clutter, allowing your email experience to remain as streamlined as possible. Once you've located Block in the menu, you'll want to click on it. At this point, Outlook will typically prompt you with a confirmation message. This message is merely to ensure that you indeed wish to block the sender. It's always good to double check that you're blocking exactly who you intend to, so take a moment to confirm that it's correct. After you've confirmed, Outlook will work its magic. From now on, emails from this sender will be recognized as unwanted, doing the job of preventing them from entering your inbox. Instead, they might be automatically redirected to your junk folder, keeping everything neat and tidy. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to block emails from specific senders in Outlook. Remember, by taking control of your inbox and filtering out these unwanted messages, you're taking a step towards a more organized and stress-free email experience. With these small but essential skills, you'll find managing your digital communication a whole lot simpler. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials on managing emails efficiently. Have a fantastic day, and happy emailing.